Hey guys, this is Touhid from Tech Touhid. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about variables in Python. In this channel, I make different kind of programming and tech related videos. If you are new, consider to subscribe. So let's jump into the video. So let's look at the objective of this video. The objective number 1 is to understand how to assign and use variables. The objective number 2 is learn Python variable naming restrictions and conventions. Well, let's talk about variable assignment. A variable in Python is like a variable in mathematics. It is a named symbol that holds a value. Like in the mathematics, you have used x, y, z, and you assign different type of values in them. The variables in the mathematics, the variable in the Python is quite the same. Let me show you an example. You can type x equal to 100, then you can write storywriter equal to 1, and then storywriter plus x, it will be 101. Where variables are always assigned with the variable name on the left and the value on the right of the equal sign. Variables must be assigned before they can be used. So if you want to use a variable, you have to assign it. Without assigning a variable, you cannot use a variable. If you try to use a variable without assigning, Python will give you an error. So here is an example. A variable can be, you can write Python is awesome, and you can give a value 100. And you can type just another var and equal to Python is awesome. And also you can create a variable, and after the equal sign, you can give a name of a variable that is created before. And also you can type Python is awesome, and also you can change the value of a variable that is created before. And also you can create 3 or more variables together and you can give them their values, like add, all, ones, and then 5, 10, and 15s together, and you can give them value. So these are the examples, and let me give you some coding example now. Well, let's type my cat and give the value 99. Like, accept that I have 99 cats, and if we type my cat, Python will give 99 because that's the value we have given before. And now if we type my friend and type 1, if you want to know the value of my friend, we can type my friend again. You can see that here is 1. The output is 1. So, and if we write again my friend, and we can change the value my friend equal to my friend plus my cat. Let's assume that my cats are my friend. So now let me show you the output of my friend, and we can see that it is 100. So my cat was 99 and my friend was 1, and we add those values and assign them to another values. We can change if we create a variable, and then if we want to change the value with some another variable, we can do like this. And now I'll show you how you can upgrade your variable you have created before. You can type num equal to 10, and then let's see the output. Let's see the value of num. It's 10. And if we do num into 2, we will see it's 20. If we subtract 2 from the num, we can type num minus 2. It will do the same. Like, this is the procedure. You can create a variable and you can assign a value of that variable, And now let's look at the naming restrictions and conventions. In the Python, you can name your variable whatever you want with some restrictions. Like there is a rules for naming the variables in Python. Variable must start with a letter or underscore. You have to start your variable with a letter or underscore. Like the correct one is underscore cat, to cat is wrong. And the rest of the name must consist of letters, numbers or underscore. You have to create your variables with the letters, numbers and underscore. And the right one is cats2, hey@u, it's not right. Names are case sensitive. If you write with the capital letter and you use as the small letter, it is not same. Like the cats is the capital one, written with the capital letter is not equal with this cat because the first letter of this cat is a capital letter. The left side cats, all letters are capital. The right side cats, the first one is capital letter. So both are not same. And also the second one, two cats are not equal. You can't use keyword as a variable name like for, while, and, class, and so on. Let me show you some example. You can create a variable by typing cat and you can give the value 1. This is a valid variable. And if you write underscore cat, that is also right. And if you type cats underscore dogs, that is also right. But if you type my @cat, that is not right. Python thinks that there is an error. While you type something wrong, Python will give you an error all time. And also, you cannot name a variable with a keyword. Like if you type while and then give a value 1, that is not correct. Python says that syntax error, invalid syntax. So this is not correct. But you can mix the keyword with the underscore and you can create a variable like for underscore while and you can type something and you can give a value like 5. That is okay. And now let's talk about the naming conventions. Most Python programmers prefer to use standard style conventions when naming things. Like most variables should be snake case, underscore between words. Like you type one words and then type another words. Between the two words you have to type a underscore. And another one is most of the variables should be lowercase with some exceptions. Like capital snake case usually refer to constant. Like if all the characters are capital letter, usually it's referred to a constant like pi 3.1416 or blah blah blah. Another one is upper camel case. It means the first letter of a word can be uppercase. Like the upper, U is capital letter, the camel, C is capital letter, and case is also capital letter. The C is also capital letter. Usually refers to a class, and we will learn about it more in the future. Variables that start and end with 2 underscore called dunder or double underscore, and it's supposed to be private or left alone. And here is an example. If you see that a variable named with double underscore, you should not touch it because it's refer private or something important that you should not mess with. If you try to modify it, maybe something will be changed and some value will be changed. So you should not touch these kinds of variable. It has some special meanings, and also we will learn about it in details in future. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comment below. If you think that this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel right now and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get the updates about every time. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.